Today we're going to check out the DJI Osmo Pocket and see how it stacks up against the DJI Osmo Action. Alright, so we're pulling up at Best Buy and we're getting ready to do the contactless pickup. This will be interesting. Well, I'm glad I didn't go very far. I just left Best Buy to pick up my order, and as soon as I leave, I got an email saying that another one of my items are ready. So heading back and to pick up the it's a Apple Lightning to SD card reader. So I went to Best Buy to pick up the DJI Osmo Action, and when I got there, I think there's about 4 items in my cart. When I got there, only 2 of the items were ready, the Osmo Pocket and the expansion kit that I got. And I also ordered a little mini tripod and Apple Lightning to SD card reader, so I can upload the footage to my phone for editing. And I asked the guy, there's a couple of other items on my cart. He said they weren't ready, or they weren't in stock. And as soon as I left, I got an email saying that the Apple Lightning to SD card reader is ready for pickup. So now I got to go back around, sit in the long line, and see if it's ready. You know what? I'm gonna go back around and go over here. This is ridiculous. I'm not waiting in this line. Alright, I'm gonna go up there and see what's going on. Alright, so safety first. I just got the other item that was ready, and so we're gonna head to the house.
Welcome to Chick-fil-A. My name is Mary. How may I help you?
Yes, I would like a number 1 with extra pickles.
A number 1 with extra pickle?
Yes, sir.
And what would you like for the drink?
Half sweet tea, half lemonade.
Yay!
Yes, sir. What else can I have for you?
And just ketchup and mayonnaise, and that'll be all.
With just ketchup and mayonnaise? Yes, sir. That's the number 1 extra pickle, medium fry, medium tea lemonade with ketchup and mayonnaise.
Mm-hmm.
$7.46 the first one, though.
All right, thank you.
My pleasure.
I'm cheating a little bit on the diet and stopping by Chick-fil-A while I'm out. All right, thank you. Alright, who out there loves Chick-fil-A lemonade? It's like the best. I love Chick-fil-A lemonade. But I never get it by itself. I always get an Arnold Palmer. I always get the sweet tea and lemonade, and it tastes so good. It's my favorite. So unfortunately, Alright, so I'm back at the house, and I'm very disappointed to say that I did unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket, and upon opening it up and activating it and calibrating the gimbal and everything, I powered it up. I started shooting some footage to test for you all, and I've started getting some weird artifacts like this purple reddish flickering on the screen. And originally I thought, well, maybe the screen was messed up. So I uploaded the footage to my iPhone, and sure enough, it's in the footage as well. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Again, I'm very disappointed. I spent most of my day going to Best Buy and sitting in that long line, having to go back and get the Apple to the Apple Lightning to SD card reader. But you know, it happens. I'm a big fan of DJI. By no means is this a video to bash or say bad things about DJI. I just happened to get a bad one. And tomorrow I'm going to take it back to Best Buy and exchange it for a new one. Hopefully they have a different, another one in stock. And you know, if we can get a good one, I will show you the unboxing, and we can look at some footage. But unfortunately, it didn't go to plan today. So I hope you all have a great day and have a great night, and I will see y'all tomorrow.